going to open up pre-existing templates. So we go to the client matter cubes and we open up Umbrella Corporation client and we type Amsterdam. Now, so basically with this scenario, it is a UK matter, but the sale of the beach is in the is in the Netherlands. So basically, we need to ask Oolivia if that's going to be a problem. Now, one of the things to bear in mind is because everything is joined together, you don't have to give Oolivia a big overview. You don't have to say this is happening, this, that, and the other, because she already knows, because she has access to all of the data within the smarter cubes, except for obviously the PII and the AI bias redactions, which obviously she doesn't have access to. Okay, so you click here. Hi Oolivia, the matter is UK based matter, but the beach sale is in the Netherlands. Is that going to be a problem?
Hi, Paul. If the matter is UK-based but the property, Amsterdam Beach, is located in the Netherlands, it could present some complications. The primary issue is that the governing law and jurisdiction specified in the agreement are based on UK statutes, which may not be fully applicable to a property transaction in the Netherlands. Dutch property laws and regulations will likely need to be considered, and it might be necessary to involve legal counsel familiar with Dutch real estate law to ensure compliance. Additionally, the enforcement of any legal actions or disputes might be more complex due to the cross-border nature of the transaction. Would you like to discuss how we can address these potential issues in the agreement?
Okay, so also Old Oak Legal is an international, multilingual, and multi jurisdiction. So we'll demonstrate that with Oolivia as well. So if we go home, and again, we open up a pre-existing template. And this time we're going to do a search for Valencia. Now this, Valencia, here we go, sorry about that. Okay, so this is a Spanish contract for the sale of a casa. Okay, so we click on, and again, she's got access to all of the smarter cubes. So she's got access to the risk, the compliance, and the workflows as well. So essentially, she can tell you where exactly you are with the progress. So if we click on Oolivia, and this time we're going to pretend that there's a problem with access rights. And again, it's a generic question because she's got access to everything. So she'll know straight away exactly what it's referring to. Oolivia, the neighbours are refusing to share access rights to the private road with their client. Can you provide case law to dispute this?
Hola, Paul. Claro que sí. Para abordar la negativa de los vecinos a compartir los derechos de acceso a la carretera privada, podrías considerar el caso de sentencia del Tribunal Supremo de 10 de marzo de 2006, RJ 2006/1587. En este caso, se estableció que los propietarios de una finca tienen derecho a servidumbre de paso si es necesario para el uso.
Okay, let's pause that. So, okay, so let me just. Okay, so earlier on we were talking about the divorce tabulation and we were talking about the data visualizations. So if we just show the data visualization, so what we have an email that's been sent from a boss to say this is the data that we've extracted. Can you put it into a bar chart with multicolours and add it to the matter? So normally what you would have to do is you probably have to put it through PowerPoint and then take a screenshot or something like that. Now with the system, it's literally just a case of going here, pasting it in here, and then ask. And then what it does is it analyzes the email, and then it will transform the data into a bar chart, a multicolored bar chart, because that's what they originally asked for. Now that adds to the assets within the smarter cubes, but alternatively, if you don't want it as an asset, you can just right click, copy image, and just add it automatically. Now, you have structured grids and format PDF to put it into, a much neater arrangement, but just for demonstration purposes, we're just going to copy and paste it. Okay, so let's pretend we've had a second email. So we go back here, and this time he's realised that it's got issues with brand compliance because of the colouring, and he doesn't like the fact that it's bar chart. He wants it to be a line chart. So again, all that we need to do is copy what he'd done, open up the bar, and then paste it in. And then all we need to do is we just need to amend bar to line and multicolours to shades of green. And then we ask that. And you can configure it to be completely compliant. Um, okay, so there you have it. So just from natural language, it has now transformed the what was in the email to um, a more compliant data visualization. And again, you can add it to the assets of the Smarter Cube. Alternatively, you can do what we've done earlier and paste it in there, and you have your information. So we're talking seconds. Whereas something, if you were doing that with PowerPoint, you would have to sit there and probably copy and paste or somehow put it into Excel and then run a macro, and there would be some work involved. Whereas now it's just a case of copying and pasting, and the AI will automatically figure it out for you. And that's just a small set of Olivia's features. She does other things such as uh, emotion reading and things like that. But yeah, so thanks for listening and have a good day.